really fun, but they're a lot smaller than yours.
They're small. But don't I look like Miss Trunchbull with this coloured? Like, I'm sorry.
The hair separates you.
Well, I don't know.
Like by the time
I'm absolutely not leading. I'm sorry.
What like are you comfortable with?
None really.
I might just
none.
Hang on. Hello. Are you happy filtering or not? I have done it twice. How do you feel on filtering? It's quite stationary. Never done it. Do it. Should we do it?
Oh yeah.
I can't see.